Back at it again for another video, man. This is more of a serious video because, you know, we heard about the earthquake.
Yep, in Philippines.
The earthquake in the Philippines, man, and I was just there last week. Like last week was... Oh my god, I was just there last week. Huh. You guys know what would happen if I stayed another week, right?
Yep.
I wouldn't be coming back.
You don't know that.
I wouldn't come back. I would have stayed there. But anyways, man, so this is this video online that I saw about, I guess, a compilation of videos of what happened in the Philippines. So I figured we would check it out, and they wanted to do a video with me, right? He's tiny, this tiny big head over here. Look, there he is. There he is. He's over there. But we're about to do their reaction, man. So let's watch it. Oh wow! So I'm guessing this is. Because everything must have shattered, right? Oh, 5 p.m. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. That sign looks like it's gonna topple over. There's a jeepney. Where is this? Oh, this is the airport. Yeah, you see Daddy was in the airport field? I would not be coming home. Yep, I would not be coming home right now. Wow.
Is that ambulance?
Yeah. BGC. When the wow, that building's still under construction. Look at that. Don't tell me it falls. That is terrifying. Can you imagine being in one of those buildings while it's shaking? That's a building. It's swaying back and forth.
Whoever's on the top floor, you don't want to take the elevator down.
That looks almost like the building Daddy stayed in. What is that falling off the building though? Is that water from a pool? No, that has to be water from a pool, right? Look at the roads!
Racks.
Oh my god, the roads are destroyed. Look at people running. You see the jeepneys like going back and forth? Oh my god, that is crazy, man. Do you guys see all that thing, how things are destroyed over there? Oh my god.
That was really scary.
That is scary, man. I don't know how I would feel if I was like stuck in there or like trapped. I don't know how you guys are dealing with it, man. All the Filipino people over there, man. How are you guys dealing with that? Are your families safe? Right? Are your families safe, man? I hope your families are safe. Man, my prayers and thoughts go out to everyone. Hopefully the tragedy is not too high, man. Hopefully you guys can rebuild. All right. Can you guys imagine your daddy was stuck? What are you guys doing right now if daddy was there? Huh? If you guys, the daddy called you, be like, oh, I'm stuck. I'm in an earthquake. What do you guys do? That's what you guys do. Oh my god. Okay.
We haven't think about that yet.
You have to think. If daddy called you and daddy's like, oh my god, there was an earthquake. I don't know, what am I gonna do? What do you guys, you guys just... Oh my god, you guys are not taking this seriously. Clearly not taking this seriously, man. But that's terrifying. And I don't know, that's just something like happening like this is honestly terrifying for everyone who has to live through it. And I just hope all the best to the Philippines, and I hope, man, they rebuild after this, because, you know, like I said, Filipino people are very proud and strong, so I know they'll rebuild after this. All right, so my thoughts and prayers go out to you guys, every single one of you guys who made it out and are safe. My thoughts and prayers goes out to all you guys. All right. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and we're out. All right. Bye.